Here's how to fix CapCut lag problem. If your video preview is stuttering or taking too long to play smoothly, there are a few settings you can adjust to improve performance. First, click on an empty area of the timeline so that none of your clips are selected. Then, click the option that currently displays full. This controls the playback quality of your preview. Change the playback quality from full to medium. Lowering this setting can make your video preview run more smoothly. Don't worry, this won't reduce the quality of your final exported video. It only changes the quality of the preview while you're editing. Next, click on an empty area of the timeline again and select Details in the top right corner. From there, click Modify, and then open the Performance section. Find the proxy option and enable it. Then, click the resolution setting and lower it to 540p. This will reduce the amount of processing required during playback. Again, this setting only affects the preview inside CapCut and won't change the resolution or quality of your final exported video. Once you've made the adjustment, click Save. Now, close the current window. Then, click the settings icon in the top navigation and open Settings. Look for the cache section. Next to the cache size, click the trash icon. When the option to clear the cache files appears, select OK to confirm. This will delete temporary files stored by CapCut, which can sometimes help improve the application's performance. Finally, open the Performance section from the top navigation. Find the options related to hardware encoding and hardware decoding, then disable both of them by unchecking the boxes. Once you've changed these settings, click Save. Return to your CapCut project and check the video preview again. The playback should now be smoother and more responsive. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.